places, yeah. My love, do you ever dream of running all these hands?
Steve drive like a bat out of hell. He drive like a bat out of hell. So what I do is I just take the comb, and as y'all can see, this is my comb. They got my hair name on here, but just take the comb through my hair stuff. Oh, Jesus, it's nasty. Oh, woo. Woo. Jesus. Y'all, don't get a lot of hair, y'all. And then, since I'm not about to keep going, getting up and going to the restroom, stuff like that, got me a bowl of water. Get my brush up in here. Put on my hair. Woo. Got it in my eye. And then you just brush your hair with the water like you're brushing it with gel. And then, whew, got me some ego. Buy me some money. Then I just take the ego, put it on my head, and then I take it, put it on the back of my head. Then I take the water and I'll do it again. This time I'm just gonna get the water and put it on. You don't use a lot of water that time. Then you get some more eco gel. Then you put it on your hair. And that's the first. Well, that's like. Look, don't you see good ways already, bro? Like, the boys cannot compete with you. You can take the scrunchie. I'll do my ponytails like this. But you can take the scrunchie and do the ponytails however you want to do it. I'm not gonna say this. Put it in a ponytail. Okay. Now, what's a Ratchet to this? Okay. Then you gotta wait like a few minutes till your hair dry. Then your waves gonna start coming in, but I'm gonna get back to y'all. Okay, y'all, I'm back. And look, bro, I got my waves in them niggas out here. Y'all can't come in.